Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these features. Hey everyone! If you're looking for a way to banish those pesky spam messages from your messenger, you're in the right spot. Deleting them is surprisingly straightforward. First, open your Messenger account and locate a spam message. Any spam message will do. Once you've found one, tap and hold it until a menu appears. From there, select the delete option, and poof! It's gone. However, you might find that not all spam resides in your main chat list. Often, spam messages hide out in your message requests. To access these, tap on Message Requests. Here, you'll likely find more unwanted spam. Simply locate the spam message requests and delete them using the same tap and hold method I just demonstrated. And that's it! With those simple steps, you've successfully purged your messenger of spam. You're now free to enjoy a cleaner, spam-free messaging experience. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.